In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure email analytics in Zoho CRM. If you want to understand what happens after you send emails from Zoho CRM, email analytics is the feature you need. It helps you track performance over time so you can see what is working and what may need adjustment. To begin, go to Zoho CRM and click Setup. This is the gear icon located in the top right corner. Take a moment to locate that gear and click it, because the settings you need are found inside the Setup area. Once Setup opens, navigate to Channels, then Email, and then Email Intelligence. As you move through these sections, the goal is to reach the exact area where Zoho controls email tracking and insights. This path is important because the toggle you will enable is specifically tied to email intelligence. Next, turn the Email Insights toggle on. This step matters because it activates tracking so Zoho CRM can collect the email data you want to analyze. Look for the toggle switch in the Email Intelligence area and switch it to the ON position. If it is already on, you can simply confirm that it is enabled before moving forward. After you enable Email Insights, you will switch from Settings to Reporting. Now click the Reports module in the main navigation bar. You might notice this is separate from Setup, and that is exactly what we want. Reports is where the dashboards and saved report folders live. When the Reports section loads, select the Email Reports folder from the left-hand panel. This folder acts like a library for email-focused analytics, so you do not need to search across unrelated report types. Click Email Reports, and then wait for the folder contents to appear on screen. Now you can view your email performance data. Click Email Analytics or Sent Email Status to open the dashboard. Both options help you measure results, and they present the information in a way that is easier to interpret. Choose the one that matches what you want to review first, and then give the page a moment to load its charts and metrics. At this point, you should see a data dashboard with email-related stats. The final step is to set the time frame so your numbers reflect the period you care about. To do that, use the Date Range filter at the top of the dashboard. Adjusting the date range changes the metrics shown on the charts, so you can compare results across weeks, months, or any custom period available in the filter. As you adjust the date range, pay attention to how the metrics update. This is where you confirm that tracking is working and that the data is pulling in correctly for the dates you selected. If your metrics look different after you change the range, that is normal and indicates the dashboard is responding to the filter. When you are done reviewing the information for your selected time frame, you can continue exploring within the same dashboard for more detail if needed. The key point is that you now have a reliable method for checking how your emails performed using Zoho CRM's built-in reporting tools. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.